Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to run a Spark SQL program. So just follow the instructions over here. So part 1 is downloading Scala. For that you need to go to this website and scroll all the way down to other versions of Scala and download Scala binaries from Windows. After downloading and installing Scala, you'll need to download Scala IDE. That is, you'll go to this website, download IDE. Again, after downloading and installing the IDE, you will need to download some Hadoop packages. For that, you need to go to this website or your GitHub, download zip. You will need to unzip it and just copy it to some folder. We will need the location of that folder later. Now after that, we'll sign into our AWS console and we'll need to create a cluster. Just go to services, EMR. We'll create a cluster and give it some cluster name. In software configuration, we'll select Spark. In hardware configuration, we'll select M4 large, give it instances 2. We'll select the EC2 key. We'll just create a cluster. I already have created a cluster and have it running. Now after running the cluster, we'll connect it using SSH. Just copy this, open your putty, paste it over here, go to SSH, select your key and open. Now for part 2, we need to create a Maven project in our Eclipse. So open our Eclipse, go to File, New, Other, Maven project. Next, you just tick this checkbox, create a simple project. Next, group ID, give it this name. And for the artifact ID, give it this name. And just click finish. It's building, give it some time. And we have the project over here. The next step, we'll go to configure, add Scala nature. After that, open the new project. We have this form XML. Just close it and reopen. This tab over here, just copy the content, paste it after version, save it. Now right click over here, refactor, rename. Just change the name to Scala. Just right click on this, new project. Right click on this, new package, give the package name, finish. Now right click on the package and we'll create a new Scala object and give it this name. Now we'll copy this entire content. Delete everything over here and paste it. Now we'll need to change the location over here to the location where our file that we downloaded from GitHub is. I'll just set it inside C folder, so that will be my location. Just save the project. Now we have some errors, a few errors over here. Get rid of these errors. Just go to properties, libraries, add library, select Scala library. We'll go to latest 2.11 bundle, finish. Go to export in order. Maybe to add it again. Apply and close. As you can see, all the errors have gone. So now we can right click on the project, go to run as, click on add and clean. Once this is done, you can create a target folder. And then we'll again right click on the folder, run as, and install. What this will do is give us this jar file. We will need to rename this jar file. So I click, refactor, rename, give it a new name. Okay. Now we will need to create an S3 bucket. So for that, similarly, we can go to services, S3, create a bucket, give it some bucket name. I already have created a bucket over here, and then we'll need to download the car data from this website, and it's a zip folder. Just unzip it. It will have 2-3 files. We'll need to upload the data.txt file to our S3 bucket, and we'll also need to upload the jar file that we just created. So I'll just go to my workspace. Go to the target folder, select the jar which is created, upload it. Now once we have the jar uploaded, we'll open the command prompt. Now we'll copy this command over here, paste it. Make sure to change the bucket name. The S3 bucket that we created was cloud group 3, and the command. So we have downloaded the jar file. Let's just make sure we have the file. Now we'll run the program using this command. Again, make sure that we have the right bucket name. Now after running this command, we'll just go to the S3 bucket. There should be a folder over here. Yeah, just refresh it. Now open this folder. There's a file. We'll download this. Open it using Notepad, the txt. Yeah, we have the output file over here. We'll just rename it to something, and then we'll need these commands. So we'll copy to clipboard, just paste it over here. Now we'll upload both of these files to Canvas for the exercise, and after that you need to make sure that you terminate the E3 the S3 bucket that you created and also the cluster that you created.